Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to convert handwritten text into digital text on iPhone. Now for us to get this done, let's go ahead and open our notes right here. And once we've opened notes, you are going to create a new note. So you can go ahead and click this one. And then from here, what you're going to do is see that attachment or pin icon there. Go ahead and click that one. And then you have here scan text, and it's basically going to use your camera, so we can go ahead and try to basically have it just like so, and then click the insert button right here, or wait for it to detect the text. All right, there you go. So you can see now that it has detected. I'm gonna go ahead and click the insert button right here, and there you go. So there is YouTube. All right. So yeah, that basically is how you're going to do it. It's going to take time, especially if you keep on moving. So it's going to ask you to um, be slow or stay stable. But once it has detected the words, it'll be able to write it down here in the notes for you. And again, everybody, that's how you're going to convert handwritten text into digital text on iPhone.